US Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has defended his leadership in a tense Senate hearing lasting more than 3 hours. Democrats have called for Mr. Kennedy's resignation, accusing him of restricting access to vaccines. It comes after the Health Secretary recently approved a round of COVID booster shoots for fewer groups than before.
When you said...
And I know you've taken $855,000 from pharmaceutical companies, Senator.
Did you hold up a big sign saying that you were lying when you said that? Because you are the one who said you would not take them away.
You're telling the American people that the American Medical Association, representing hundreds of thousands of people, have been co-opted and that they should not trust their doctors.
Maybe President Trump should have asked you, are you a trustworthy person? And we should have waited for an answer.
Last week, Mr. Kennedy fired the former head of the Centre for Disease Control. Susan Menares says she was let go because she refused to rubber stamp recommendations to the Health Secretary's panel of vaccine experts. That includes a number of vaccine critics. Mr. Kennedy says he stands by the decisions and defended wider changes at the CDC.
She had to resign because I asked her, are you a trustworthy person? And she said no. So if you had an employee who told you they weren't trustworthy, would you ask them to resign, Senator?
So I'm sorry, but this is not what she has said publicly. She has said...
I'm not surprised about that.
So you're saying she's lying?
Yes. Every conversation I had with her, there were witnesses.
Let me get this straight. This is the same person that less than a month earlier, you stood next to her and described her as unimpeachable, and you had full confidence in her.
A number of Republicans also hit out at the US Health Secretary's leadership. The toughest questioning came from Senator Bill Cassidy, a doctor who helped confirm Mr. Kennedy after he was promised the administration would uphold several vaccine policies.
Effectively, we're denying people vaccine.
Senator Cantwell.
You're wrong.
But you just told Senator Bennett that the COVID vaccine killed more people than COVID.
Wait,
that was a statement.
I did not say that.
Okay, then let me ask, because you also...
Senator, I just want to make clear, I did not say that.
We'll check the record. That's a question of fact.
But in a cabinet meeting this morning, US President Donald Trump has defended the health secretary.
He's a very good person. And he means very well, and he's got some little different ideas. I guarantee a lot of the people at this table like RFK Jr., and I do. But he's got a different take, and we want to listen to all of those takes. But I heard he did very well today. But it's not your standard. It's not your standard talk, I would say, and that has to do with medical and vaccines. But if you look at what's going on in the world with health, and look at this country also with regard to health, I like the fact that he's different.